monthly total to 1.57 inches. This is 1.03 inches below the normal amount of 2.60. Warning for southwestern Georgetown County in northeastern South Carolina, south central Williamsburg County in northeastern South Carolina until 6:45 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Trio, or 18 miles south of King Street, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Lambert, Sanford, and Trio. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The following is a special weather statement for the following county.